You were just talking about me to someone very close to you.
I don't know. How do you know my number?
Because I'm very good friends with a friend of yours.
I'm not talking with any of my friends.
What? You sounded Asian.
Okay, well, you can, like, kind of tell me who you are now, and then I'm gonna, like, hang up.
Oh, no. Okay. My name is Chase.
Okay, go away. Like, tell me who you are, just, like, hang up.
Okay, I told you my name is Chase.
Your name's obviously not Chase.
Why not? Why can't it be Chase?
Goodbye.
Apparently my name can't be Chase.